First show of the tour. It's such an awesome way to start. Thanks for being friendly and singing along and listening to us say dumb stuff. We really appreciate all that. This is technically still our record release tour. So we put out this record, Sidelines, and this next song, it's our last song, is off that record. It's one that was always really special to us. We wrote it. We all rented a house in Los Angeles. We drove there and started writing this record together and kind of lived together too. It was like a little band sitcom situation. It was pretty fun. So every day we'd wake up at whenever, but show up at 11 ready to write the greatest song in Wild River's history. And that didn't exactly happen quite like that. It's very hard to plan it. So we were writing songs, we were starting to produce the record, and then one night I started writing this song on the back porch, and I was very much deep in my feels about a certain breakup situation, and I was in my zone in the backyard, and it was like 2 a.m. The band was at some like cool music industry party thing with like a bunch of hot California people, and I was just in my place. And Dev came back and saw me, and she was like, "Oh my God, are you okay?" And I said, "Mm-hmm." And I was working on this idea, and I played it to her, and the idea was, it's meant to be the last breakup song. It's meant to be when you're finally over someone and you want the best for them and you want to just kind of move on with your lives, and you kind of let them go. And it's also about planes and long distance relationships and stuff. And it is called Safe Flight.
Love don't keep sitting on runways or waiting on storm breaks, signaling back and forth 100 feet over the tropics. We're in the cockpit, trying to stay the course, and we fought till it came down on me enough to make my knees soft. Then you poured over me onto me just like an eavesdrop that filled up way too fast to hold. Don't keep well in a suitcase. We're tangoing two ways, dancing around where we stand. Hotel sleeps are cold in November. can catch the next one. Have a safe flight.
Thank you guys so much.